Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Mazda MX-5 Roadster convertible, stock reference number 4566. This shape runs from the 10th month 2005 through to the 7th month 2015. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left door has one small dent. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got an average bumper cover, does have a light scuffs in its hair. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light, right rear factory 17-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has two small dents, right guard has one small dent, and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.